cannot swim because of you don't want to try, you don't want to learn, or you have some other reason. Can you tell me why? Just don't wanna. Right.
Yes.
Anything else? I don't want to swim because I am afraid of the water. Oh,
yes.
You are afraid to die?
You are afraid of water?
Yeah.
Water.
Afraid of dying.
You was afraid of
die. I understand. So that means you want to live over 100 years or what? I don't think you will die in the water, but you will die somewhere else soon.
Yes.
No. Everyone cannot see their life.
Said that no need to buy.
No need to buy. Why?
Anything from
I don't know. They.
Đòi hai, đòi lại.
No.
Especially my mother.
They just said because they just don't want you to spend a lot of money. You know them actually?
Yes.
I think you should buy something for them. It's kind of present for them. Just try when you go somewhere. You try to have. How about my cow? My cow is white too.
I did not see your cow.
Oh,
I never see your cow.
If you see my cow, you will see that my cow is pretty.
No, your cow is animal. It's not.
Could you tell me please? No, sorry. Could you tell me please how they look like?
So animal cannot be pretty, right?
Can be.
Can be pretty.
Yes.
So you can say that my cow is
pretty, but it's not attractive for me.
Oh, it's not attractive. That's why you don't have cows at your home.
But attractive for selling. I can sell to buy something.
Attractive for selling.
Yeah.
Wow.
On it another cow and ox to sell.
Oh wow. So you sell pretty cows, right?
I sell handsome ox.
Wow. Handsome ox. Wow.
It's not very expensive in Cambodia.
That's amazing.
How much? I can say like $500.
$500.
Yeah.
$500 is not expensive. It's not actually.
Đây ấy. Cái thọt đây.
I think
$500.
it's around.
Maybe around.
It's more than
3 months.
$1,000.
3 months. But
It's more than $1,000.
After they were born, like 3 months or 4 months, 5 months, like $500.
$500. Wow. That's not